Trying to find Movie Maker, the old classic version, well, the one that works anyway on all Windows operating systems. As far as I know, I'm on Windows 10. Then you go to this link and you click on here, do exactly as I do. It's quite simplistic. Scroll down this page and you'll see a lot of bad news, and then just carry on as I did and you'll see a bit of good news. Oh dear, well, that's the bad news anyway. That kind of got me down, and because this was like the 5th page I'd looked at, trying to find some link to Windows 10, and then I found it. Fortunately, we have saved these links to archive for you. All you have to do is hit the following button and download the Movie Maker for free. I thought, virus free, everything okay. I trust these guys. You've got to take a risk, so I thought I'd take the risk for you. I downloaded the file. This is all done in real time. I actually did it this morning because my laptop died and was out of action for a couple of days until I fixed that. God knows how, but I did it. So after hitting the file and downloading it onto my system, I just wait for it to unpack. No RAR or any rubbish like that, so that's kind of good. And then install it. All of this done in one go. As I said, all done earlier today. Just make sure it's legit and you guys aren't going to get any problems. If any viruses or anything, I'd let you know. I wouldn't download this video and risk your systems, but scan it anyway just to be safe. Me, I'm taking a risk. My laptop's dying anyway. I'm getting a new one end of the month, end of May 2020. By the time this video is recorded, and there we go. Just accept everything. Don't worry about any pop-ups. There's just nothing to worry about. Just unpack it. Away we go. Fully install it, and it will load up. I will then add a file just to test this actual recorded file, and you will see yourself. See, my laptop's not well. I can add the files here. So what I'm going to do, end this video, and you know that this thing works and it runs really well. Thanks for watching. Well, after 3 hours of searching for it, finally found it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want. And the reason why I like using this is because the other free versions of Movie Makers, all the copies and all the other alternatives, just weren't good enough. Didn't accept my media files.